Okay, what we have for sale here is a one owner 1994 Chevrolet pickup truck. It's a 2500 model. It's got some taller freeway gears on it. This was used as a general manager work truck in a construction business, so it is a work truck and it has blemishes that you would associate with a work truck. For instance, it's got a lot of little dings in this trim here, little miscellaneous chippy scratches and kind of things like that. One of the things that makes it a strong truck is it has a brand new engine in it, and that engine has basically no miles on it. It's on its first oil change. It has a bed liner in it. This is the factory bed liner. Tires are decent. This one's got a lot of tread in the front. Here's some of those like miscellaneous little dings. The paint on the hood is faded out, but is still the right color, at least. Roof similarly, a little better on the roof. Interior is shockingly good condition. Nobody ever ate in here or had a soda in here. There's no stains or spots. It does have a new battery in it. Here's a door panel. And then here is the carpet. Let's try to get in here. It's a little dark, but there's no stains. Oops, flip the camera. The visor has the fabric peeling on it a little bit there. It's got an upgraded steering wheel instead of that rubber steering wheel they normally come with. But you can see the seats are basically got next to no wear. The armrest on the driver's side has a little bit of a homemade patch on it so that it's still comfortable, because the armrest fabric was starting to go. And here's the back area.